Radio PCT Ludhiana, rocking the waves.
Hello everyone, this is your RJ Palak going to update you with the current news happening in the PCT group of institutes. So let's begin with the headlines. Students of BTech department are back from an educational trip from Shimla and are refreshed. Pharmacy students had a visit to biotech industry and gained a lot of experiences. Fashion department is going to organize a winter wear collection exhibition made by them. Rapstar Music Club of College is organizing a Rapstar event in the campus and are very excited. Samosa Junction, a food joint called Samosa Junction in PCT group of institutes provides amazing and delicious food to students. All-Star Cricket Tournament is going to happen in the college soon. Chess tournaments are on their way to give us painful winners. Here comes the news from BTech department.
BTech department of PCT went for a trip to Shimla and have returned after 6 days gaining the experience of practical work. Let's talk to the students of BTech about their experience.
We all have learned so much of practical work of road machines, road service, different measurements, as these things were necessary for us in our field. We stayed a hostel at Shimla for 6 days with proper arrangements of food and equipment for work.
The trip was full of new experiences and so much to learn. Moreover, students spent some time with the faculty members also.
Let's hear the news from Fashion department.
Fashion department is organizing an exhibition on 3rd December and we are here with one of the faculty members of the department, Miss Swati Lakhanpal. Let's know the theme for the exhibition and their expectations from the students.
As per the theme is concerned, there is no particular theme for the exhibition, only that we are exhibiting winter wear. Mostly all the stuffs are related to winters. If you ask me what are my expectations or what are FD faculty's expectations from the students, we have arranged this exhibition for the students to learn to market their product and to know how to sell the product and to construct the products which are saleable. That is all. We are looking forward for a better sale.
Let's hear about educational beat.
Sometimes you need a break from theory and wants to gain practical knowledge. Therefore, the college organized industrial visit for D Pharma first year students to make them aware about biotechnology. So let's listen to one of the students about their experience to this visit.
My name is Shweta Mishra, D Pharma first year. So we went to Apple Biotech Industry, Doraha. It was a very good experience attending the visit. We gain a lot of knowledge over there.
PCT Department of Journalism is organizing a trip to Dainik Bhaskar. So let's ask students about it. So how are you feeling about it? Are you excited?
Yes, I am very much excited. Plus energetic, plus enthusiastic. And I am looking forward to learn new things from this trip.
Let's move on to entertainment beat.
Music Club of PCT is organizing a Rapstar event where students will show their hidden talents and some amazing stories using their rapping skills. Let's talk to the participants of Rapstar.
How excited are you and how are your preparations going on for Rapstar event?
Rap is like making movies, telling stories and getting emotions of the song. I'm very excited as this is the first time of being part of this Rapstar event where I will be able to represent my feelings and my past experience in a song. I am working really hard for the same and have started with the rehearsals as well.
Let's move to food beat.
As we know, Samosa Express is a famous canteen of our college. Let's take opinion from one of the PCTN.
For me, Samosa Express is an amazing outlet when it comes to samosa. Samosa Express have variety of samosas and many more fantastic snacks. My favorite is Manchurian samosa. It is a kind of gossip point for me and my friends where we all meet and a break time and share our emotions, experiences while having a cup of tea or coffee. After my degree, Samosa Express moments are going to be one of my most cherishable memory.
Let's move to sports beat.
The All-Star Cricket Tournament is going to held in the campus. I have one of the captain with me, Mr. Kashdeep Singh. Let's ask him about what are the preparation he's been doing to have a good team.
We are really excited for this All-Star Cricket tournament as it has a format like IPL and every team will get chance to keep their best forward. All the players are working on their skills and techniques. As the captain of PCT Master Blaster, I am looking forward to make up a team which is balanced and talented as well. Moreover, I am looking forward to win the trophy.
So we hope you enjoyed the show. Stay tuned for the further updates.
Radio PCT Ludhiana, rocking the wave.